How to maintain a relationship. So we all get into a relationship out of all the butterflies in the stomach, all the chemistry, but when it comes to maintenance of a relationship, these are the things that will help you to maintain your relationship for long term. Hello beautiful souls, मैं हूँ Bithika. Welcome to Divine Healing YouTube channel. How to maintain a relationship. So we all fall in love, we all get butterflies in our stomach. But when it comes to maintenance, there are certain things that we need to keep in mind. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk today in this video. But before I start, make sure you subscribe my channel. I make videos every Monday to Friday and tarot readings every Wednesday 10 p.m. So let's start with number 1. Open communication. Yes, have open communication with your partner. When it comes to maintenance of relationship, communication comes in the very first go. Because when there is communication problem, there will always be a gap. Your partner wants to say something, you want to say something. He means something, you mean something. So this something will cook up something and it will create a lot of arguments. So have open conversation and communicate often. Try to text. When you can't call, try to text. When you can't text, make sure that you let that person know that for a certain period of time you won't be available. And when you do it, this communication gap actually becomes shorter. There's an open communication. You talk about your issues with your partner openly without any hesitation. And this actually helps to maintain your relationship and makes your relationship much stronger. Number 2, respect the person and his or her loved ones. So it's not always about loving the person only. It's about loving and respecting your partner's loved ones. For example, family, sister, friends, close one, best friends, whoever they are close to, make sure you have a good relationship with them. And if there is any kind of relationship differences with those people, make sure you have a respectable, words and thoughts about those people, at least in front of your partner. So make sure you respect your partner's loved ones. And what happens is, when your partner see that it's not just me, this person also respects my own loved one, loves my loved ones. This creates a strong bond in your relationship. This actually gives your partner a sense of security, because when you respect your partner's loved ones, she or he actually gets a boost in her mind that this person not only cares about me, cares about others. That means this person is reliable. Number 3, to maintain a relationship, plan surprises or do surprise visit. If you are living together, try to do surprises for your partner as often as possible, at least once a month, because when you plan surprises, it can be small little things to bigger things as per your thought, your creativity, whatever your partner like. And or if you are somebody who lives in a distant, or you have a distant relationship and long distance relationship, whatever, plan a surprise visit for them, because you know what, this things actually creates a beautiful bond in the relationship. This creates little sparks in the relationship. People talk about that sparks goes away and it doesn't stay for a long period of time. But to maintain a relationship, this small little acts adds like the cherry on the top, like that. So plan surprise visit or plan surprises for your partner to maintain a relationship for a long period of time. Number 4, be honest with your feelings. Be honest with your words. See, sometimes our partner want to know what exactly it is, and we make up things. We just don't say the true thing, right thing. That actually creates a hindrance in a long-term relationship. Why? Because see, if you make up things and you get caught by that person, what will happen is next time, if you're honest, that they will not believe. Okay, so make sure that you have a honest, you express your honest feelings to your partner. If you're not feeling well, just tell them I'm not feeling. If your mood is off, just tell them my mood is off. Don't say I don't know, nothing happened. Okay, it mainly happens with women. So if they're not feeling well, they always expect their partner to understand it. But darling, tell it to your partner that my mood is off, I'll talk to you in some time, or I'm not feeling well, or for some reason I'm just off, just let them know. Because when you don't let them know, their mind will, go here and there, and they'll cook up stories in their mind which might not be your situation, and there can be confusion. So it's better to be honest in relationship about your feelings, about your thoughts. Number 5, build trust in relationship. See, there will be time when there will be trust issues. There will be time when, this happens in relationship, and it's a step-by-step process. And in case in your relationship in some way the trust has been broken, then the work comes a little harder, but it's a step-by-step process. You need to build trust in a relationship, because that is the basic foundation of any relationship. When a house is made, the foundation, that is important, and trust is that foundation. When you have trust in a relationship, any circumstance will survive with a good foundation of trust. So build it. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes observation, it takes to be a little more kind to your partner, kind to the situations. Build it gradually, and that will help you to maintain your relationship really, really smoothly. Okay, before moving on to the last point, if you love traveling and if you love watching traveling videos, you can check out my travel channel, Travel Vlogs. I'll give the link in the description. Do check it out. Wanderlust Bithika is the name of my channel. I am sure you guys will love my content. Do check it out. Okay, moving on to the last point, number 6. Please show appreciation and support. Let them know that you support them. Let them know that you appreciate their work. Appreciation and support, this can be very simple acts. Okay, if your partner is not going through a good period of time, physically, mentally, financially, whatever, your support means a lot. And appreciation will actually help you to maintain your relationship like a, flower bed. Because, see, our partner needs a little bit of validation from our side. Yes, even though we know we love each other, we are together, but a little bit of appreciation for small little things, just for making a cup of coffee. Oh, darling, you have made such a nice coffee. Oh, wow, you're looking so beautiful today. Oh, I'm so grateful that you're in my life. Oh my God, you treat my mother so well. You're such a nice woman. Oh man, whatever. Okay, so small appreciation. Even the work they do, if somebody has done a housework or household work, and you just appreciate them, that boosts them up. That makes them feel with so much positive energy. They feel like this is something, man. This is so nice. And in a relationship, when there is support, when there is appreciation, this is like boom, a boom kind of relationship. A relationship with so much strong foundation. And when there will be tough time, of course, your support is needed, your presence is needed. Sometimes support actually comes in a way that your presence is enough. So the person might be going through a different difficult time, and all this need is that your presence. So make sure you give that presence to them in order to maintain a long-term relationship, in order to have a solid foundation for your relationship. So these are the 6 things that you can do to maintain a relationship, a healthy relationship for a long period of time. And yes, start doing it, because these are very small little things. That's all for today. We'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, comment below your thoughts about this video. Subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Take care. I'll see you guys on my next video.